Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another Beer of the Week video hosted by yours truly, Andy, coming at you with a wonderful beer from our friends at Park Brewery on the west side of Toronto, just outside one of our favorite neighborhoods, you guessed it, the Junction. So Park Brewery, named after perhaps the most famous park in the city, Hyde Park. Wonderful urban park. If you've never been, you gotta go. So this is a limited edition, so if you can grab this while they still exist, consider yourself lucky. We got a German Kolsch. Wonderful style, Make It Matter is the title. German Kolsch. I want to get really technical and specific. This is a Kolsch style beer because for a beer to be an actual Kolsch, it means it needs to be brewed in Cologne, Germany. So let's give this a try. Let's crack it open. Give it a nice pour. This is nice big, beautiful bottles that come from Hyde Park. Oh yes. Very excited to try this. I'm gonna give it nice smell there. It's got those bready scents that I'm so excited to consume. Nice crisp flavors. Again, you really get sort of that breadiness. Those bready scents that I'm so excited to consume. That comes along with these Kolsch styles again. It's very malty, bready style of beer. So if you like those sort of flavors, if you're into that, those carbohydrate-y beers, this is definitely for you. So Hyde Park, definitely recommend. One of our favorite breweries to work with in the city of Toronto. So long, folks. And remember, craft beer is here.